Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, guys, in this particular video, we are going to talk about our final subject from JIB examination, that is RBWM, right? So, what should be our module-wise strategy and the overall weightage from different modules, as well as importance of this particular subject. First of all, earlier, like prior to this May 25 examination, this was the one of the easiest subject जहाँ पे we can easily score आपका 70 80 in sometime it is आपका 90 also there are people who score that one ठीक है but last time आपका they generally ask question with the application based and case studies that make this subject bit complex, right? So this is the subject, like let's say if you are going for JIB in a single attempt. So if you require आपका 10 to 15 additional marks to achieve that overall 200 plus score, so this is the subject which will help you to attain those particular marks. Okay, but you have to work on few areas. So let's start our today's discussion. Okay, so when it comes to your PP आपका RBWM module wise strategy, so your module first where we have only 4 units आपका ठीक है and you can expect 7 to 8 marks question, and out of these 7 to 8 marks 3 to 4 marks will be based on unit number 4 itself, okay, which is all about the branch profitability. And fundamentally the other also the first all the four subjects are important because you'll get आपका basic insight around the retail banking आपका ठीक है. When it comes to module B, C and D, module B, which will like you'll find this particular one easy because PPB module B will help you in this particular case. Things will get repeated, or at least you'll have some sort of fundamentals from your PPB subject. Now, the most important modules are module C and module D. So, module C and module D, they are completely different from the league. Like support services, here we have marketing of banking services and product, and which is all about the marketing things which we use in banking, and very important one, okay? And bit interesting also compared to module B or your PPB subject, okay? And then next one is आपका wealth management. Again, interesting one, but you have to go through all the units which are generally part of this. You have at least you have to build your conceptual clarity, okay? So these are the four modules आपका, ठीक है? So here we have only 4 units. Accordingly, you will see the आपका lesser number of questions, ठीक है? And when it comes to the remaining 3 modules, they all are equally important, ठीक है? So before coming to the आपका overall strategy, we'll first go through all these, ठीक है? So module A, where we have these आपका units which are generally part of this particular one, ठीक है? So here we have retail banking and introduction, retail banking role within the bank operation, retail, corporate and wholesale banking differences, and branch profitability. When it comes to आपका module B, retail, product and recovery, so here we have customer requirements, product development process, credit scoring, important retail liability product, important retail asset product, then we have credit and debit cards, digitalization of retail banking, role of AI, recovery of retail loans, management information system and securitization. And these all things आपका directly or indirectly कहीं ना कहीं आपने आपका जो पीपीबी मॉड्यूल बी है और ए है उसमें आपने इनको डिस्कस किया, ठीक है? सो इफ यू स्टडी मॉड्यूल पीपीबी इज ऑल अबाउट मॉड्यूल ए एंड बी, तो अगर आपने उसको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा है, ठीक है, सो दैट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू इन योर आपका आरबीडब्ल्यूएम सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो, ठीक है? नाउ कम्स टू टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मॉड्यूल आपका which is completely new in nature also, ठीक है? So when it comes to these two module आपका support services, marketing services, ठीक है? तो marketing and introduction 4Ps, 7Ps and all are part of this one, ठीक है? Then we have delivery channels and delivery models, customer relationship management, आपका service standards and marketing information system. All the units are equally important, ठीक है? So 2 to 3 marks question you'll get from each and every mod आपका units, ठीक है? Then final आपका wealth management, ठीक है? So here importance of wealth management. Then we have investment planning, tax planning, other financial services provided by bank, lender appraisal procedures, ठीक है? So these are the units आपका module D. So there is one additional reading. ठीक है? So last time what happened? The maximum case studies they generally ask in your examination, they were usually based around these particular things. ठीक है? So and apart from this, आपका this branch profitability also part of this particular one. ठीक है? सो यूजुअली ये पेपर बहुत इजी होता था, बट मे एग्जामिनेशन के अंदर ये पेपर भी इतना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट बनाएगा, फुल ऑफ स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड एज वेल एज आपका देयर वाज लॉट्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इन केस स्टडीज पार्ट ऑफ दिस वन. ठीक है, इवन लाइक इफ यू आर स्टडिंग द मार्केटिंग थिंग्स, तो द एप्लीकेबिलिटी ऑफ दोज पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट इन द डे टू डे बैंकिंग बिजनेस इन ऑल, सो दैट इज समथिंग विच इज रिक्वायर्ड. तो पहले हम इसको ऐसे ट्रीट करते थे कि like with module wise revision or unit wise practices it can be manageable, but now थोड़ा सा गेम चेंज हुआ है. ठीक है, तो व्हाट आई कैन रिकमेंड यू, सो अगेन आई विल कम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द कोर कॉन्सेप्ट आपका. ठीक है, कोर कॉन्सेप्ट जैसे मॉड्यूल ए एंड बी. मॉड्यूल ए यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द कॉन्सेप्ट समरी, मॉड्यूल बी यू कैन गो थ्रू द प्रैक्टिस, सी एंड डी यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द कॉन्सेप्ट एरियाज. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी शुड बी आपका कॉन्सेप्ट. आफ्टर दिस वंस यू डन विद द कॉन्सेप्ट पार्ट, ठीक है, गो फॉर यूनिट वाइज आपका यूनिट वाइज प्रैक्टिस, स्पेशली दैट मॉड्यूल बी और आपका सी ऑल्सो. ठीक है, सो दैट विल हेल्प यू. देन आपका मॉड्यूल रिविजन एंड मैराथन्स विल बी डूइंग, सो दे विल आल्सो हेल्प यू इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस. ठीक है, वन रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, see when it comes to PPB versus RBWM, in PPB we have 55 units and things like PPB subject is bit boring. वहां पे ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये सब चीज तो हम डेली लाइफ में करते हैं. ठीक है, सो बट लाइक द गाइडलाइंस और रेगुलर वर्किंग में देयर इज अ स्लाइट डिफरेंसेस. ठीक है, वो डिफरेंसेस को समझना है. एंड व्हाट आई कैन सजेस्ट यू कि एटलीस्ट गो फॉर आपका कॉन्सेप्ट समरी एंड प्रैक्टिस अगेन एंड अगेन. जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतने ज्यादा वो आपको याद होते जाएंगे. In case of RBWM, I'll suggest कि having concept clarity is आपका more important rather than that practice. तो first priority should be आपका कि जहां पे आप concepts के around थोड़ा बहुत काम कीजिए, just brush up your concept related to the areas, and then आपका when you'll go for the practice or the आपका module revision, that is definitely going to help you. Because sometime what happen कि let's say we need आपका 15 marks, like let's say in first three subject we have scored 45 45 45. In this case now RBWM is the only savior. So it is manageable, you can score 65 plus in this particular subject, but for that one you have to be well prepared, right? So that is the game. So अगर आप इसको अच्छे से मैनेज कर लेते हैं, so it will be easy to score good marks in your upcoming examination. All right guys, we have done so many session around the PPB, so the concept summary is also there, और आपका the unit wise practices or the module wise revision, you can start watching those particular one. So later on we'll be again we'll be doing or coming up with another set of a new set of practices also, so you can participate in these particular one. Okay, so at least till that time what I can recommend you ki at least go for those concept videos so you can have a basic understanding. All right, so this is it from my side. Wish you all the very best for your preparation guys, and see you in the classes. Okay, thank you.